Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, how many lines of symmetry does a letter E have? As we know that a line of symmetry is a line that cuts any shape exactly into half. So if we draw a line of symmetry for a letter E, that will be here, that is along this line, and which is horizontal. Hence E have only one line of symmetry, which is horizontal. Means E has one line of symmetry. That is, our answer is 1. From available options, we have option B as 1.